Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today we will continue our discussion on processing of modern ceramic. We will discuss on the extrusion process, ceramic extrusion process. In ceramic extrusion, the dry and granulated raw material are mixed with water, binder, and plasticizing agent, and a dispersing agent. And the mixing of raw material is will be pushed or forced from behind of the die, and it will come out from the die and follow the shape of die opening. Okay. This method is used to produce the continuous and unchanging or uniform cross section of the product. Yeah. Okay, the next process is a tape casting. So tape casting is used to produce the ceramic film. Kan? Uh, to produce the continuous thin compact using slurries composed of raw powder, binder, and solvating media. And here we apply Dr. Blade to spread the slurry into the thin film, and the product is a green product. We call it the green because it is unfired ceramic or without sintering process. Yeah. Uh, the tape casting ceramic in thin film of ceramic will be used to produce the integrated circuit package, and also used to produce a ceramic chip capacitor. So in proper look on the processing of tape casting, the diagram show the process of tape casting. So it consists of slurry chamber and Dr. Blade, and the ceramic slurry will enter the will enter uh, from this channel, and the conveyor will move to the left, bring the thin film of ceramic to enter the drying chamber. So drying chamber, we apply the heater and also the ventilation, air ventilation in and out in order to remove the moisture. So the product will come out from the drying chamber is a dry ceramic thin film. Yeah. Okay, in the closer look, in the slurry chamber and Dr. Blade, this is the Dr. Blade, which can be moved downward and upward to adjust the thickness of the ceramic film. Yeah. Okay. For the injection or casting method, here the ceramic slurry will push from the behind, and the ceramic slurry will move to the nozzle and enter the die cavity. And after cooling process, and the die will open and we can remove the part. The part is green, whereby it is in the soft uh, it is soft and not hard enough, so which need to bring to the next process, which sintering or firing process, in order to increase the strength of the product. For the cutting of ceramic, uh, uh, the cutting process have to be done before the sintering process. Because after the sintering process, the part will become hardened and high strength. So it require high energy to cut the sintered ceramic part. Okay, for the grinding and polishing, it is used to remove the small amount of material in order to increase the surface quality and also the dimensional accuracy of the product. Uh, Grinding and polishing can be done after the sintering. The diamond cutting tool is usually used because the ceramic is very hard material. Okay, next slide is show to you how uh, production process of ceramic knife. This is a case study and explain the how to produce the ceramic knife. So I hope you go through these notes and try to understand how they produce the ceramic knife. Uh, the process is still the same. Compaction process and then drying and also the firing process. Okay, next slide show the comparison between each ceramic processing and what are the advantage and disadvantage of each process. So I hope you read and understand this table. Okay, thank you very much. The slide ends of the topic of ceramic processing.